National Weather Service in Milwaukee Sullivan has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for eastern Greene County in south-central Wisconsin, Rock County in south-central Wisconsin, eastern Dane County in south-central Wisconsin, southwestern Jefferson County in southeastern Wisconsin, until 9:30 p.m. At 8:41 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along the line extending from near DeForest to near Oregon to near Brodhead, moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Madison, Janesville, Beloit, Sun Prairie, Fitchburg, Middleton, Stoughton, Fort Atkinson, Waunakee, Oregon, South Beloit, McFarland, Monona, Windsor, Lake Mills, Milton, Edgerton, Evansville, Marshall, and Waterloo. Other landmarks included are the following location: Wisconsin State Capitol. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy structure. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 10 p.m. for south-central Wisconsin.